guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Today we are doing our IPSY Charm unboxing. I already did reveal my box in another video, but today we are unboxing it, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Of course, if you guys are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you'll be part of my YouTube family. Let's go ahead and jump into this IPSY Charm unboxing for the month of June 2023. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. I did already peek in it because I was so excited, but I did not have time to do my video as soon as I got the box because of Father's Day. So yeah guys, I did peek in. I was a little cheater this month, so let's go ahead and jump right into it, guys. So the first item that I got are the Thera Brushes, and let me just tell you, like, the packaging is so pretty. I am excited about these brushes. I am so excited about the bristles. Hopefully they are a good quality. They are very nice packaging. Like the little handle, it's so pretty. It's like an iridescent. And the bristles, oh my God. It does feel a little heavy. And the bristles feel so good. This one, I actually thought it was going to be a lot smaller because I was actually going to use this brush to like set my under eye powder, but it's kind of big. It's bigger than what I thought it would be. But here is the first brush, and the bristles are amazing. This one is the angled brush, and I absolutely love to use these brushes to do my little bronze contour or like a little blush to the cheeks, or just like to add warmth to like the temples of my forehead. And yeah guys, oh, even for the nose. Oh yes, love these. The bristles are so good. I got my brushes dirty, but they actually really work. And this one I thought was gonna be a lot smaller, and it's not, but I will definitely put it to use, maybe for like an all over setting powder brush. I feel like that would work really good as well, because it's a little bigger than what I thought. But yes, the bristles are so nice and soft, and these are so good. My box is full of makeup, and I absolutely love my makeup items. That's what I customized my box to be, and I'm so excited for it, guys. All right, guys. So then up next, we have this one here, and this is by BAKERIE. It's the lemon bar. It's the face palette, and it looks like this. And homie, I don't know if I could put this highlighter to use. It looks, I don't know. I will definitely be trying it out. It's like very much frosted. Oh, it does have like a little sheen of gold, or yeah, like a little gold undertone. If I don't use this as a highlighter, I will definitely use it on my eyelid, because you guys know that I love to use highlighters on the eyelid. It also does have like a little, I don't know, like a bronze shade and then a deeper bronze shade. So I will definitely be putting this little palette to use. Like I said, if I don't use the highlighter for the face, I will definitely use it as an eyeshadow. And yeah, this was my next item that they chose for me. I think this was like a power pick, or I think that's what it's called. I don't even know. So yeah, I got this little palette. Then up next, an item that I chose was this right here. This is the PYT Set Me Up Setting Powder. And I hope that this shade works out for me. I'm more of like the light, fair, medium shade. Now that we're getting into summer, I did have to go out and buy a new foundation because my old foundation was a little bit too light. I was looking like a little Casper the Friendly Ghost. So yeah, I had to go buy a new foundation, and hopefully this works out for me if I could take it out of the packaging. I really want to see like the, this is not gonna work. Let me pull out some scissors. What was I saying? Let me see here. Okay guys, so here is the component of the PYT all over setting powder. Let's actually give it a little try. Hopefully it's not too light for me, but let's see what it looks like on my skin. I don't really, I can't really tell if it's doing anything. Oh, now I could. Now I could. Now I could. It feels super, super lightweight, and I feel like it could definitely be a buildable all over powder. And this brush is perfect to go with it. I love my box this month. It's like full of makeup, which I love. Okay, up next we got the MAKIAGE something. What is this? Let's see. Oh, it feels really nice and heavy and fancy. Oh, how cute. It's a little quad. It's an eyeshadow. And the shimmers look very, very nice. And it does have like a deeper matte shade. Ooh, they kind of feel like very like wet metallic-y. Oh my god, that's so pretty. And this bronze one, let's see. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Oh my god, I'm shook. I can definitely do like a smoky eye with this eyeshadow pan. It's a little quad. Love me my makeup items. And then another item that I have in here, it's gonna be from Fenty. I'm trying to make this video super, super snappy, guys. I gotta go. This one's from Fenty Beauty, and this is their, what is this thing exactly called? This is their match stick, and this is definitely new to me because I've never used it. I am familiar with the product. I feel like that's going to be a perfect color for my complexion, so I can like snatch the nose, the cheekbone, the forehead. Yes, I love this. I'm kind of scared because I don't really use like cream products, but there it is. I feel like it's a perfect shade for my complexion. And my last item, guys, I'm so excited for. My Boost product was actually this one. Hopefully it's nice and secure in there, but let's take it on out. Guys, it is the NATASHA DENONA Retro Glam palette. And I am pretty much familiar with this palette. It has the beautiful pastels, shimmers, greens, roses. Oh my god, so pretty. And this one is such a great value, guys. But that was pretty much everything that I got in my box. Also, I did do some add-ons. I got the commodity perfume, and I did do some additional shopping, and I'm so excited to get the rest of my items. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today. If you like my video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Stay tuned for another video coming really soon, trying out all these products. Bye.